Welcome back, my friends. Today we are in a ICON FJ43. This truck started out as a 67 FJ40 that was pretty much well beyond its traditional life cycle. It was a major roach, so really its only chance of making it back onto the road was via a ICON makeover. This truck is built in the sand tan powder coat finish, reminiscent of the original Sahara tan paint coat. One of my personal favorites, keeps it organic, breaks up the black and gray routine that everyone seems to repeat. Of course, you have all the black trim, which sets it up nice. In this case, we're running the ICON New School forged aluminum wheels. We are running the BF Goodrich mud terrain tires. We are running the ICON bumper system, so the dual pivot bumper in the rear, in this case set up with an optional high lift jack rack. And then in the front, of course, we're running the worn 9.5 winch and the ICON bull bar with the integrated LED lights. Headlights are the super funky mil-spec optional ICON headlights. Definitely polarizing by design, but you cannot argue with the functionality. They work so nice, works out really good. On the inside, New School standard interior, so that has the Chilowich textiles. We're running the 3-stage carbon fiber heat blankets in the front seats, and in the rear, we're running just 2 of the optional side-facing jump seats. In the rear, we are also running client custom request stainless steel flush cargo hold down loop hooks, and we are running 4 of the ICON storage bins, which normally are powder coated, and this client requested that we Line-X polyurea coat on top of the powder. We're running a big old Eaton power inverter, 110 major amperage output. We're running, of course, our beloved Rosen sun visors, which you can order on the website. And we're running the double wall insulated soft top and removable door uppers. These soft tops are probably the nicest in the business. They're certainly the quietest and nicest that I've ever experienced in the aftermarket or OEM world. Super tight, tethered, quiet, good temperature control. They are German canvas 3-ply and then an 1/8 inch waterproof jute insulator material, and then another 3-ply canvas on the inside. So really it's 2 complete soft tops tailored together. Absolute money pit hour eating, but they work so nice. They make a big difference in the feel and quality of the build. Other unique provisions on this truck, you know, we run that Viair dedicated air compressor generally in the rear quarter panel hidden up in the wheel well. Well, this client had us mount the large capacity Viair, but this time under the hood. Another nifty thing, this truck will be doing a lot of its work and play on a private ranch where there's a particular kind of weed that has these super gnarly, like little nettle spear thingamajiggers that are notorious for taking out radiators, even on farm implements. So the client noted that a particular tractor manufacturer had a screen that was serviceable for the radiator that seemed to work better than anybody else's. So we ordered one, took it apart, MacGyvered it, and put it back together. So now you'll notice that custom screen in front of our radiator. Mechanically, we're running the LS3 with the truck application intake and Fiat. We are running the Asen Warner AX15 5-speed transmission manual 3 pedals baby. That in turn is sending power through to the Atlas 2 twin stick shift on the fly part-time 4-wheel drive transfer case, and then the power's ending up at the Dynatrac axles. So that's a Dana 60 Pro Rock high pinion in the rear and a Dana 44 in the front. Those axle assemblies are brand new all the way down to the castings, and in this case they're featuring the ARB locking differentials with the ARB dedicated air compressor, as well as the ICON Brembo proprietary sport brakes. Those brakes are powered by a hydro boost system, so you're not relying on engine vacuum, and you get significantly more feedback out of the pedal in a ton more pedal pressure. So the brake system on these trucks we're really, really proud of. It works out well. Exhaust is mandrel bent, TIG welded stainless steel. In this case, the client requested a specific muffler, so it does not have our usual exhaust note. It's slightly quieter, especially at freeway speeds. We're running the sport suspension with Fox Racing, nitrogen charged, dual rate adjustable shocks with remote cans and IBOC coils, tunable sway bars, ICON fire extinguisher. I feel like I'm missing something. I just might be. But let's just say, if you see something I missed, ask and I shall reply with clarity. I will thank you for taking the time to watch yet another one of my blah, blah, blah videos. If you guys have any questions, certainly feel free to pick up the phone, reach out old school to 818-280-3333. Facebook and Instagram is ICON 4x4. And of course, the website, if anyone actually uses those anymore, is icon4x4.com. I will see you on the next one, and until then, be healthy, be kind, and be well.